Good morning. Let's start day here. We're using the CFD platform here and the demo account here to follow prices. So let's have a look at what's going on here in Germany. So we've seen huge drops here in the markets today. 163% down. And we are looking at large drops here in all stocks. Let's focus on Europe. Maybe we can find something that's moving somewhere else as well. So what's going on here? Let's see if the technology is working and everything. Let's go. So we have a pullback there in Germany. So pullback of into the range here. Let's see if it continues or if we're going to continue down. So we can manage risk by putting a stop here. Yeah, let's take the long from 154. Move the stop forward to our entry. So we have the stop at the line. Here around that line. So yeah. And there we see the push up. And let's see if this continues. So we have a great start here. So let's lock that profit in. There we go. Move the stop forward. 46 stopped out. Perfect range trade. So from 54 to 46 there. It's a great long. This one we could remove. It's an old line I made sometime. So yeah, let's try the swing trade then as well. Let it push all the way up maybe. See if we have the swing trade. Price comes back here. Or it will continue. So let's see if there's any resistance going back that we might not know of. So where are we at? So we're pushing higher. Some resistance there. Things are looking good. Okay, let's see if we can take the short from 43. See if the price will come back down. Have some profit to use. We use a stop loss. Yeah, if the price comes down, it comes down again, right? Yeah. We give it a little bit of room there. We don't give it more than that, so we gave back 1.42. Let's take the long then. See if the price continues or it's a false breakout. This is how you lose money. Textbook how to lose money. Trade a false breakout. So we move the stop forward. We're not taking risk. Let's see if it pushes up. So we're stopped out there, but we didn't lose any money. Okay, we try the same one more time. Move the stop forward to our entry. So we're 0.10% up. We're stopped out with 0.10%. Let's try a short using the same technique. 42, move the stop forward. 43, we're stopped out. 0. This depends on your cost, of course, of trading it, if you can do this. Let's try the same swing trade again there. We're long from 42, moving the stop forward, not losing any money. Give it a little bit of room, and then we'll take 40. If we get 40, we'll take it. Yeah. We move the stop forward here to 40, and we're stopped out. Then we can do the same thing again. Okay, we'll enter here at 40. So we gained another 0.2% on the previous trades. So we're long here again. Let's see if this can push up then. So now we see a little bit of a different pattern. So now it's breaking higher. And then we treat it differently. We're afraid here at the line. So we're a little bit afraid here at the line. So there's a resistance line. So yeah, that's why you do try to push your stop forward. So I didn't say anything, so we went down to 41. I don't know if I should say new entry or how to treat that. But then we do the same thing. Then we lock in 38 this time. So if we enter again at 41, yeah, 37, push it forward there to 37. So we gained 4 if we lost 1, or we gained 3. Same result. Do the same thing. Wait a minute. This looks like it's going down. Okay, so we bet that we have one more push up. Yeah, 42. Move the stop forward. Stopped out. 0.02% gain. So there's a leverage of 20. So that's 0.4%. So now we have 0.3 plus 0.2 3 times. Yeah, so we wait. 39. Don't dare to take the short. Okay, let's try it. Let's take some risk. Let's see if it swings back down. This is normally something I don't like to do. But this is, yeah, moving the stop forward to 40 here. Yeah, taking free. Yeah, so he stopped out. So another 0.03%. So we've collected 0.07 here. Let's see if we can do the same thing one more time. Yeah, let's give it a try. 42. Yeah, let's try a long from 41 then. We're not taking risk. We can accept 42. Don't have to be perfect. We accept 43 as well. And there we push it forward to 39 and we're stopped out. So we gain 2, another 0.02. Okay, so maybe it's breaking up now, higher. Or maybe it's a peak and it's going to come down. So I didn't dare, yeah. So let's jump in on 35. Long, of course. Yeah. So we're long here from 35. So let's, we're not losing any money, at least. So we'll see if this continues or if we get stopped out. So it definitely looks like it can continue. So there at 27, I'll take 27, move my stop forward to 27, because of the size of the profit, not because I don't think it will continue higher. Because from 35 to 1.27, it's a good profit, so that's why I move my stop forward. So we're stopped out, but we can enter again here, maybe. No. Did we get 32? Okay, let's try to be long from 32, 1.32 here. Thinking this will push higher. So we have a little bit of risk here because we have a Fibonacci level. Yeah, let's don't lose any more. This one could of course come back to 32, but I don't want to lose any more there because, yeah. Okay, so let's, yeah, let's take, yeah, I'm too late, damn. Okay, let's take it from 28, tight stop. Yeah, so we're not losing any money on this one because this one can come back down. So I wanted to show you something which is sort of on the risk side in this one. The retracements. Yeah, so if we're stopped out, we're stopped out. We covered the transaction costs in it as well. Yeah, we're stopped out. Okay, if we get 29 again, we'll try it. Could have moved the stop forward there. Okay, 29 long, moving the stop forward to 28. We're probably gonna get stopped out because we'll see 29 again. Then we do the same thing. Lock in 0.01%. It's of course in relations to your trading cost, but Yeah, so we do the same thing, trading that range. Same thing, trading the range. We have room for 30, we don't have room for more, we stopped out. Okay, so it broke down on the downside. A little bit dangerous here due to the Fibonacci levels. Let's try a long anyway here from 29. So I'm moving my stop forward here. I don't want to lose money because I might not time this correct. It might spike up, but it could also definitely come down. So yeah, stopped out. So let's try a short here from 31. See if this breaks down. No. So we didn't lose any money on that one. Okay, let's try a long from 32. A little bit slow to say it, so let's say 31, a long from 31 then. Give it one, maybe. Yeah, so I'm not a big fan of this. This one looks like it's coming down, so I'll throw in the towel and exit there at my entry at minus 31. And then I would take it here again. So, and then I would, of course, not lose here. So I'll try a short here from 34. So I've given back 0.02%, let's say that. And transaction costs and so on the last two ones. Interested in getting that back, but also not wanna, if the trade pushes down, then it pushes down. Yeah, so giving it a little bit of room there. I think this can come down more. Let's see. Yeah, I'll give 0.01% back there to the markets. Let's take that on a better entry another time. Let's try a short from 32 and take that 0.1 back. Extremely bad timing, so but we got it. Yeah, we're stopped out. 0.01 back. Let's do the same trade one more time from 32. Here we have 33. We will see 34. Move the stop forward. If this one continues down, it continues down. 35. Moving the stop forward. Stopped out. 0.03% gain. Again there. Let's try the same one more time here from 31. 0.01. Okay, let's see. Maybe this one wants to go higher. No. Damn, missed a good short there. Let's try it a short there from 32. Or 33, moving the stop forward to the entry. This has room to break down on the downside. Could move down. Okay, so I'm locking in 0.01% because it gives me the money to try again at a better time. So it's a little bit hard here, knowing what to do. Okay, let's go short from 34 and see if we gonna continue down. Give it a bit of room there. Don't have to give the money back straight away. But I don't want to lose anything more than 0.01% either. I move my stuff forward to my entry. Stopped out. Yeah. So I'll look at something else. Should we wait this one out? So let's try a long then. If it doesn't break down, you can always reverse up. That's what we see there. So we're long. So this one has created a range which it could push up within as well. We lock in the profit at 32. So let's see if it's working again now. So now it should be working, right? So minus 142. Let's take this short here from minus 140. Tight stop. Very tight at 39 here. This one will touch the line. So, okay, we're long. Long from 35 here, 36. Now, so it touched. So will it continue? So give it a little bit of room, but let's see if this continues up. Yeah. So we can't lose anything more than that. So the entry is not perfect. So let's see. We need a push up here. Need for this one to continue up now. And then yeah, we're alive. Hi. So it's working. And we have okay, so we are live. So let's, how should we miss that long? So we are uploading some code. So I missed the short as well here. Okay, let's have a bit of a focus on the markets here again. Yeah, I missed a good short. Let's see if we can take it here. If we continue down. We try to be short here from 48. See if this continue down. Perfect. Give it some room. So we are short. Let's see if we can stick with this one. Great. Let's lock in some profit here. Yeah. Let's see here. We can move this one, but it looks like it's coming down more. Yeah, we don't want to get stopped out. Stick with it. There we could think differently because it's looking for down to 147. One thing I didn't see how. So there's no reason not to lock in profit there to wait when you have such a good journey and good trade at 45. So I'm a little bit too concerned there to max out. Yeah, I'm out. I'm doing that this time. So I accept that I'm out. I'll take the short again. Let's see from where. When it reverses down, I'll take it. Am I gonna get 40? Let's take the short from 42. We don't need a perfect entry. I think we're gonna come down more. So from 38 to 45. So we're touching 45 again. I'm moving the stop loss forward again. It can range trade if it wants to. Yeah, I'm short. Yeah. So locked in 0.03, short again from 45 from the same point. So I want to push to 48 in this trade. So I'm looking for a push down to here at least now. So I'm looking for the last push. But if I don't get it, I'm not taking risk, of course, in this one. So I'm out, no problem. Let's try the same short again from 43. Still think we're gonna see the push down. I'll take my maybe I should wait this one out. Yeah, because normally that's what happens, right? So I'll take 48. We went down here to the line, to the area of the line where I kept this one. So I got another 43 to 48 there. So that's 0.05. So first it was 48 to 45. 7. Then it was 0.02, 43 to 45. And then it was 5. So 14, 1.4%. And we did 2.7 before that. So that's 3.1, that's 4.1%. And we're way above the target of today. So let's share this one. Yeah, that's good. So 2 weeks ago, it must have been October 20. Eleven. Det. 2. So we could have stayed in this short, made a little bit more money. I was doing other things. Let's see if there's some action somewhere. Any stocks that are resolute mining limit. Trading European stocks can be pretty dead. Bid Corporation, no? Bid Stack. Let's trade some UK stocks. So let's short silver from 27 for the last push in the range here at least. So it's 10 in leverage, so 0.10%. Maybe not worth it. Yeah, took the profit there. So 4.2. So there we go. We can short it from 29. Looks like this will continue down a little bit. want to take risk. No. Stopped out. It comes back up. So we're moving the stop to the entry, as usual. So if it wants to play, we'll play. And it's welcome to go down, move down, but if it doesn't, then we're stopped out. So this can break up in the range. This could be down. Yeah. Let's try the same here. So let's use the same technique. So we're stopped out, but then we can enter again. So let's try the same thing here at 28. We lock in 30 this time. A little bit of profit, 0.02 profit. And then we'll see if we get 28 or 29 again. 32. So we moved into the range, jumped up. We're out because we're not going to give back everything we earned in the previous trade. This can be a long. No, then we're short from 28. I think this could continue down a little bit. Maybe we'll see 32 again. Or at least 30, yeah. So we'll take 30. Another 0.02. Then we can do the same thing again. Yeah, let's do the same thing again. 27. We're in from 27. Yeah, we should have moved the stop forward. I didn't say move the stop forward to 29. We should have moved the stop forward to 29 and taken 29. We're not taking risk, of course. Yeah, we're stopped out. Let's try a long from 26. Yeah. Good. Move the stop forward to 22. Stopped out. There we go. So that's another 0.40%. We took 0.40% at least in 2 trades previously. Combined 0.02, 0.02. So 0.8 to 4.2. That's 5% on the day. Oh, we should have stayed in silver. I missed it. I missed 0.07%. So the live is working, right? Let's check that out as well. Stream is working. Yeah. Let's try to short silver from 24 for a push down again. I'll take 26. Yeah, so I got 25 out of it from 24. Let's see. Let's try the long here again. A little bit. 22 is okay. 23 is not. Yeah, perfect. One more push. No. So I got greedy. Thought we would push higher. Yeah, I thought we would push higher. Yeah, so I managed to turn that into a loss, so that's not good. Oh, yeah, we moved the stop forward. Sorry, we stopped out. We moved the stop forward there to around 60 then. So another 0 point. So 4.20 at least. If we took it from 48 to 64, would be 414. But I think it's honest to say that we took it from 40 on the day. And then, of course, it's a little bit less because we already moved 9% up, approximately. Drop of yeah. So let's see what's happening. I think this one is showing patterns, so coming back up to this line eventually. Set up temporary. So we're up. So it was 48 or 40. So yeah, we moved the stop forward. Sorry, we stopped out. We moved the stop forward there to around 60 then. So another 0.20%. So 4.20 at least. If we took it from 48 to 64, it would be 414. But I think it's honest to say that we took it from 40 on the day. And then, of course, it's a little bit less because we already moved 9% up,
approximately.
What's going on in Germany? What's going on in Germany? We're having a push-up. I didn't dare to take it. What's going on in natural gas? Nothing. Crude oil down 1% today. 1.4. Let's see here. Yeah. Let's take it, the short, because it's crude. See if it breaks. Move the stop forward. No, we stopped out. So we stopped out at minus 0.1% there. Let's see if it comes back up then. Yeah. Or if it's gonna do a double bottom all the way down. Yeah, maybe it comes back up to the line first. Let's try a short. Let's see if it breaks down. And for it, getting that money back that we gave back to the markets in the previous trade. Yeah, so we got that back. Moving here in oil. Moving forward again. We're 0.02%. Moving a step forward again and again. 0.04%. Yeah, looks like it's continuing now. Yeah, the same thing. The same thing. 0.60% in this one. And we're stopped out. That's okay. And I would see, yeah, it breaks the short from 46. Could be a false breakout when it reverses, of course. Give it a little bit of room, not too much. Definitely potential of a false breakout. I got fooled perhaps there. Okay, so let's jump out there. Yeah. Let's jump back in short. I think this can come down from here. Yeah. We're up 0.03%, so that's it. Okay, we'll take one more try from 38. We're not giving anything back. Moving the stop forward to our entry. Moving the stop forward to our entry. And if it goes down, it goes down. So we took back, so we're moving, so yeah, so 41. We gained another 0.03%. So it was 38 to 44. We're moving the stuff forward for every change. So, and then it was, so we stopped out. Let's try the same short then from 38. Risk one. We're moving the stop forward. We got 2. Yeah, and that's it. Great. Let's try to see what's gonna happen here then. So that was free 2 times. 3 times after times 2 1 time. Okay, let's try the short from 38. Could potentially be really good because of the previous breakout. Yeah, we're giving it a little bit of room, therefore, for it to continue down. Not losing any money, of course. But we'll see if this one wants to continue down a little bit. Could have taken 0.03% more safe there. Maybe should have. Breakdown. More. Yeah, we should have. We didn't lose any money, but we didn't risk. Didn't have a good risk reward for it to continue down. Could have broken down more, but yeah, more than previously. Let's see here. What's going on? Let's take a long then. See if it wants to push above this line. Go back up. You do you, as they say, right? We leave it to do its thing. We have moved the stop forward, so we're not losing any money. We'll move the stop to our entry. There we go. Moving the stop forward to 23. We don't need anything more. Jump back in here at 25. It looks like it's pushing higher. Give it to 27, and then we're stopped out. So we got 8 out of that one, risking 2 here now for it to push higher. Yeah, so I was just about to say, so I'm risking 1 there. So there I'm moving the stop forward because price stopped to move up and it was on the way down. A long from 125. So let's see here now. This can do very well for us. So I'll normally don't have to chase. I try to take that 19. Of course it's gonna push higher probably, but I'll take the 19. I could, yeah, so I'm stopped out. So I could enter, no. Do I dare to enter here? Okay, let's try to enter here, 120. So I got 0.60% out of the market on a risk. One of those, not more than this. So I'm not giving back more. Out of the 6 we just earned. See if it pushes higher. So it definitely looks like there's one more push to it. Touch my line at least, right? That's why it's there. Good from 20. Good. Moving the stop forward to 16. Perfect. 14. Great. Breaking above the line. Took it. Great. From 13. It's of course welcome to go as high as it wants. It's nothing that's limiting it. Yeah. So that was 0.6, so that's another. So it was 0.7. Okay, back 1 maybe. So from 30 to 21, from 25 to 9, so it was 0.7. Yeah, for those who like, there's a short here. So let's jump in on the short then, from 23. Move the stop forward here to 28. So another 0 point, move the stop forward, 0.06 profit locked in. 0.07 stopped out. And then it can do it thing. So yeah, let's short it from 31. See if it continues then. I can give back 1, not more, out of my 7 I earned. Yeah, I was stopped out. I got stopped out, but I get in again. And we're gonna keep me down. I get stopped out. And So this one could reverse back up. Okay, let's try it from 31. See if it continues down. I'll give back 1 again. Now I'm not giving back anything. Stopped out. Moving the stop forward. I'll short it again here then. For it to come down. I don't want to give back anything, this one. So I'm trying to keep it tight. Yeah, good. If I'm not allowed to join the ride, I'm not allowed to join the ride now. Then I'm gonna be stopped out. I have a day to protect and a session to protect. Yeah, so I'm not losing anything on that trade. So let's see if it breaks. You want to continue down? Okay, I'll try one more show. Or I didn't say it. I didn't say it. So let's try the reversal from 20, maybe 28, 29. Did we get 28, 29? Should I jump in or stay out? Yeah, let's try the long from 28 there. We got 28, we got 29. Moving the stop forward, and we're in the profit. So I'm not stopped out, but I am stopped out. I didn't lose any money. So 7. So from 33 to 21, 12, 25 to 19, 6. Okay, back 2 out of 18, between 25 and 27. Or 26, I said 26, okay, back 1. So that's 17. And then from 21 to 13 is another 8. So 8 plus 17 plus 8 is 25. So 0.25%, and it's leverage 10 in commodity futures. So that's another 2.5%. Okay, let's call it a day there. 11 o'clock. Shouldn't overwork ourselves here. It's 11 a.m. in the morning and we did 1 hour and 45 minutes. Thank you.